Hello and welcome to the 20th edition of NBFCs and FinTech Conclave and Awards 2025, co-powered by Cinch. We are live from Chennai and today we have Mr. Balaji TK from FlexiLoans. How are you?
Doing good.
So my first question to you will be, what are the key challenges FinTech companies are facing in India's finance ecosystem?
Uh, More than First of all, thanks to the B2B media team. I think challenging is the most abused word nowadays. We shouldn't say anything as a challenge going forward. That's what my thing is all about. This is all a business requirement which is kept on upgrading. So we need to keep face to that. So something which I think through from an NBFC or a fintech standpoint is regulatories keep on changing. So whether our systems, data process can get complied to the regulatory requirements. Second thing, there's a customer who constantly needs some kind of a lovable product from an NBFC or from a fintech standpoint. Are we delivering that lovable product from the customer standpoint? Because there is no customer loyalty nowadays. Wherever the product is much better, is going to switch over to the product much better. Okay. Second thing is the third thing is profitability of the business. Whatever we are delivering from a top line to bottom line, can we get the profitability intact with our technology in place? That's what the three key challenges I would say. Yeah.
Can you tell us what differentiate flexi loans from others in the market?
Very good one. From a market standpoint, what we do is we keep listening to the customers. Point number one, we expanded our business varied. Like we also do a business unsecured loan to some portion. We also do a lab, and then we also do a supply chain financing. So we see in the market where a lot of untapped customers are there. And then we also seen from a lender standpoint, there are a lot of challenges where they keep on rejecting 80% of the file and their product only to the 20% of the data, whatever they're receiving. So we understood these challenges and we built a marketplace for us. In the same marketplace, we integrate with multiple lenders through an API layer where I get a customer. Straight away, what I do is I qualify them and see which lender it can pass through. So point number one, what happened? I'm getting a qualified lead to my lenders where he's not working on 80% rejection. So the team is super productive. That point number one. Point number two, here on customer standpoint, where it gets keep on rejecting from lender A to lender B, lender C. Here the challenge is he cannot keep opting to multiple lenders. So we understand his requirement. We try to maximize his requirement. On one end, we're trying to solve the customer problem where he not want to go to multiple lenders, come to my platform. On the other end, I tell to my lender, I don't go and look out for multiple files where your team is only rejecting 80% of file. You come to my platform. So these two things we are solving it right now in the system. Thank you.
In the next 5 years, where do you see India's finance industry growing?
Uh, Next 5 years, what I see is like team since we collected a huge amount of data, we need to go back to our data and see how the data insights are coming back because there is a data heavy business is happening there. Point number one, we need to look into the data. The data are relevant, can we get some minimal amount of data and process the decision? That is point number one. Second thing what I see is penetration of the market where we get into the depth of penetration. The second thing. Third thing, still I don't see a regional language coming into play there in any of the system. Even if a chatbot comes, even if voice comes, people talk to me in a different language where I can't even understand immediately. Even if it talk to the chatbot, it doesn't even understand. So I see a lot of regional language comes into the play. These three things I'm seeing it as a next 5 years model. Yeah.
Thanks for sharing your valuable insights and taking this day ahead.